How to make a video private in TikTok. If you have posted any video on TikTok and if you want to change it to the private, then here is what you can do. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, simply tap on the video you want to change it to private. Here I have only posted one video, so let me just tap on it. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can see edit privacy or privacy settings option available there. Simply tap on it. Then who can view this post? Simply change it to only you option available there. And that is it. Now you have successfully changed this public video into private. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.